everybody, Nate here. I'm in the dugout here at Blue Wahoo Park. As you can see, the game is rained out. We just had some awesome fireworks. Watched the Blue Wahoo baseball players slide across the whole mat that we put out during the rain, during the fireworks. It was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. But just thought I'd check up with you guys. We'll see you at the next games out here. I'll be out here on Sunday for our home game, Family Sunday here at Blue Wahoo Park. We're rescheduling everything for the Community Maritime grand opening for later this summer, so I'll have the dates posted pretty soon, what you can expect there. They're trying to get Charlie Daniels back, so that's the big problem with the schedule. But I'll also post information on a concert series that I'll be doing here in Pensacola as well. So hope you guys are doing well. We'll see you around either the ballpark or at an upcoming event. Later, guys.